right here amidst the wine fields of Walluf. How far this trail goes beyond, like how long we can walk this way. So this is the history of this beautiful castle right over here. You can see it's called Kirche, and that's how this place has got to be named. So guys, finally we have arrived here in this beautiful place where this amazing church is a small kirche, and it's right here amidst the wine fields of Walluf. And if you're here in Walluf, you can definitely come down to this beautiful small tiny kirche. It has got its own positive vibes, so you can wish and manifest whatever you want. Definitely come down to this place. It's a place of manifestation. So here you can see the beautiful vine fields with an amazing sunset. The clouds are setting to come already, and here is the history of the Kirche and the whole Rhine Valley. It is full of significant importance. So right here you can get the whole history of Germany. Do not ever forget to come down to Walluf if you're in Germany. What is up guys? Welcome back to DJ Inside channel and yo guys, so today it's an adventure day in Germany. It's a beautiful lovely day, but it's very cold. It's 8 degrees right here. So we are heading to a beautiful castle where Armin is going to take me. I don't know the name of the castle, so you got to wait and watch the whole video to experience a beautiful castle in Germany right here in Walluf with us. So hit that like button and tap that bell icon and make sure you give a thumbs up for the video. Galactic melodies guide me through the unknown. In this abstract hip-hop song, I feel at home. A beautiful basketball area right here. And a soccer ground as well in the Walluf street. Deep house beats like stars twinkling in the sky. I reach the depths of my creativity as I fly high. And how far this trail goes beyond, like how long we can walk this way. It stops there. So and there is this beautiful castle which Armin just told us that he was going to take us. Let's go over there and check out. So this is the history of this beautiful castle right over here. You can see it's a part of the castle, and it's literally very old, and it has got its own significance right now. This information is literally in German language, and as of where I can understand a little bit, it says that this castle is formed in 1931 to 1932, and it has got a great importance with its location. It's right near by the river. There is a river part, and here is the castle called Johannes Kirche, and that's how this place has got to be named. You can check out the inside of the castle, it's really beautiful. We're not allowed to go in. Probably if we want to go
Can go
in,
around.
then we have to go around, is what Armin is telling us. Let's go around.
There's even some here.
Wow. There are some names over here, and you can see that this is a beautiful
I was inside
castle.
once already. Can climb up the window.
Very rich in heritage, and it has got its own importance. And if you're here in Walluf, this is a place where you have to definitely visit.
Also close.
And this side it's closed, but I know how to go inside. There's a scan option over there. If you want to go inside and see, you just have to pay the money to get the entrance, because this is of government building, so you have to, if you want to get inside the entry, you have to pay not too much, just a little bit of cents. But yeah, definitely you can go inside, as I just saw the scan option over there. So everything here, if you have cash and if you have the ATM, you're set in Germany as a tourist to have the best time here. There is another interesting part of the castle over here. It's completely broken down and full of leaves. It's autumn time in Germany and full of cold air, breeze, freezing right here near the castle, but it's really beautiful. Wow, so that was an interesting castle where we could just go and spend a beautiful time right by side the Rhine River. And here, if you're in Walluf, make sure you do come here around, check out this whole neighborhood, because it's really worth it. And you have literally everything to see over here. All the touristic locations are right here in Walluf. It is one of the most famous places in Rheingau, Taunus-Kreis area. So if you're here in this Rheingau area, make sure you do explore Walluf, because it's next level.